CAFCAS stands for Children and Family Court Advisory and Support Service. They practice social work through the legal system in private and public law cases. CAFCAS's goal is ensuring that the children's side of the story is heard and to work in their best interests. They determine the needs of children, give their analysis and findings to the court to recommend exactly how a child's welfare can best be safeguarded. CAFCAS was formed on 1st of April 2001 as part of the government initiative to support families and children. Their advisors are some of the most qualified and experienced social workers in England. Each case received is taken on by at least one member of frontline staff. Their budget for 2015-2016 was 118.3 million. CAFCAS employs 1,700 staff and has 42 offices nationwide.
When Jabbar Sadar joined CAFCAS in 2006, he soon realised that CAFCAS was struggling to cope with the demands of the sector. He transcendently noticed that CAFCAS wasn't aligned to the organisation's strategy. Putting 10 business partners into offices on the front line, he adopted the business partner model. Also adopting a culture of high performance and accountability was key for Jabbar. He focused on implementing a technology platform enabling staff with laptops, e-casebooks and mobile phones, so they continue to work whilst on the go. CAFCAS was a totally different experience compared to his previous jobs, as the priority wasn't about budgets anymore but the children. Jabbar quoted, "To me the children at the heart of the strategy." Budgets were constantly being cut, which is something Jabbar found increasingly difficult as the number of cases were rising by tenfold. To add to the pressure, CAFCAS had to close 20 offices nationwide and cut over 100 jobs. Sourcing the right talent is difficult in the area of social work, especially with the effects the media can have.
The areas of quality, influence and diversity remain key aspects in the new 2015 to 2020 CAFCAS business strategy. These were inherited from the 2013 to 2015 strategy. The central objectives of the CAFCAS business strategy is to help the court choose the best outcomes for children. They adopted two new key aspects to their strategy beginning in 2015, efficiency and effectiveness and family justice innovation. CAFCAS will continue to implement their part of the Family Justice Reform Programme, but over the next 4 years, they will place more emphasis on bringing innovation to their services. The new focus of the business strategy implemented by CAFCAS is efficiency and effectiveness. CAFCAS want to continue to pursue this strategy in all services looking to make further savings in their budget.
What is strategic HRM? SHRM is the integration between HR and business strategies. What is bundling? Bundling is when a business implements more than one HR practice to achieve their business strategy. To achieve quality, CAFCAS implement high commitment work practices. Counsellors seem to take a genuine interest in their cases and do their job for the greater good rather than pay. Things like comprehensive training and selective staffing help them to achieve consistent quality. CAFCAS achieve regular innovation through high involvement work practices. Examples they use are human capital and talent management. CAFCAS achieve efficiency, effectiveness and diversity by implementing high performance management, rigorous recruitment and selection processes, relevant and continuous training and regular performance appraisals.
HRM practices, health and safety. In 2010, CAFCAS was seen not fit for purpose. Sadar introduced a health and wellbeing plan in 2013 and staff now have access to dental and health screenings. Employee relations. CAFCAS has replaced 700 staff members in the last 5 years and now focuses 93% of its budget on frontline staff. Rewards and benefits. CAFCAS now have one of the best rewards and benefits packages in the sector. Development. In 2013, CAFCAS launched a talent management strategy that aims to help employees with career progression and role development.
When Sadar first joined the HR department, he realised that the department's strategy was not aligned to that of the organisation's. His first task as head of HR was focused primarily on creating a connection between the two. In order to demonstrate the alignments of business strategy, HR strategy and HRM practices uncovered in our analysis of CAFCAS, this grid was developed. The first strategic alignment is the organisation's strategy of high quality and the HR strategy of high commitment. CAFCAS use high commitment work practices to encourage this. These practices include frequent development workshops and the allowing of flexibility within job roles. The next alignment evident in CAFCAS is the HR strategy of innovation or influence and the HR strategy of talent management. High involvement work practices are used to enforce this alignment and provide opportunities for employees of CAFCAS to progress professionally. CAFCAS grant many internal promotions, only employ top quality staff, that develop the concept of personal portfolios to ensure that the staff are being recognised individually for using their skills and expertise beyond their job roles. The last alignment we found in CAFCAS is a business strategy of efficiency, effectiveness and diversity linked to the HR strategy of low employee turnover and absenteeism. High performance work systems facilitate this link and can improve employee involvement, motivation and their overall skills. CAFCAS introduced company incentive plans such as price reductions for childcare services and improved the standard of health services they offer to their employees. Thank you for watching.